These are just a few beauty products that changed my life this month and will change yours too. We have skincare, we have hygiene, we have accessories, we have clothing. We truly have got it all. Hi guys, it's Allison. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Allison. I make makeup videos, review videos, Amazon videos, pretty much everything beauty you're gonna find here. So let's get into it. Starting off strong, we are starting off with scar tape. Whether you have acne spots, dark spots, scars from surgery, scars from an accident, any kind of scarring that you want to remove, use scar tape. I will cut a little bit of scar tape like this, put it on a dark spot from a pimple. I have a lot of dark spots on my back. I used to get a lot of acne on my back. This has helped so much with those scars, specifically the scars that just won't go away. Like, you've tried all the serums, you've tried everything. Give scar tape a try. Honestly, it's life-changing. And this is only $9. On the topic of dark spots, we have Sunday Riley's Good Genes Lactic Acid Serum. This is one of those serums where you put it on before you go to bed, you wake up in the morning and you can instantly see a difference. It's actually crazy how well this stuff works. It is on the pricier side, but there is a reason. It's because it works. It comes to the look of fine lines, and overall you will just wake up in the morning and your skin will just glow. It'll be plump, it'll be hydrated. This serum truly has been a holy grail for years and years and years. I'll alternate between this and this for dark spots. These two combined, you will never have a dark spot ever again. Next, we have Castor Oil and Castor Oil Patches. I saw this trend going around all over social media, and it's one of those trends where I was like, it probably won't work. Let's try it. So I tried it and it works. And that is to put organic castor oil in your belly button. Take one of these patches, put castor oil on it, put the patch on your belly button, and sleep like that. If you struggle with bloating, if you struggle with digestion, if you struggle with going to the bathroom, this is gonna help with that. It's actually crazy the way it works. You wake up in the morning, take it off, and your stomach just feels snatched, and you will go to the bathroom a lot easier. This product is this Youth to the People, I don't know why I can't say this, Youth to the People Kale Green Tea Face Wash. I love this product for so many different reasons. The first reason is it comes in this glass bottle. The bottle is just beautiful, sitting in your bathroom, sitting in your shower. It is just a beautiful bottle. The quality is everything. Second, this face wash lathers better than any other gel facial cleanser does. Your face just feels so incredibly clean, like it went through a whole entire detox. Trust me, if you know, you know. This cleanser is top tier. She's expensive. She's worth it. Next, we have something in the hygiene category. This product right here, I have been searching for her pretty much my entire life. So this is an electric retainer cleaner. I don't know about you, but I wear retainers every single night. The way that I was cleaning them was putting toothpaste on my retainer and just scrubbing with my toothbrush. It just wasn't great. It wasn't great. So I found this. You put your retainers in here, you fill it up with water, you put a little dental pod inside, you plug it in, you turn it on, and it cleans your retainers for you. It gets your retainers really, really nice and clean, cleaner than you would have gotten them if you were scrubbing with your toothbrush. Highly, highly recommend this product. Next, we have the accessories category. I am absolutely obsessed with these Gucci sunglasses, and there are multiple reasons I'm obsessed with these. First is I just love how sleek they make you look. Second, I love the way they look from the side. Just this logo, it just screams like, I'm that bitch, been that bitch, will forever be that bitch. I also just love the way they look on the top of your head. Just very cute, very chic. Also, what I love about these is the price. I think these were around $170, which for designer sunglasses is technically, I don't want to say affordable, but it's a good price for designer sunglasses. They're definitely going to be a staple this summer. If you're looking for a good pair of designer sunglasses that are trendy, don't cost $400, these are perfect. Next, for clothes, I'm going to talk about this workout set that I'm actually wearing right now. This burgundy color is so trendy. This Bordeaux color, whatever color this is, it is just so, so pretty. Then I have the matching yoga pants. Like, look at this color. It is just everything. They're so, so stretchy. They're so butter soft. I mean, I don't even want to say they're Lululemon quality. I think they're better than Lululemon. And these are pretty affordable. I think the top was 30, the pants were 30, something like that. 12 out of 10. Another thing we have in the accessories category is jewelry. You guys know I love my jewelry. Maybe you don't know. I love my jewelry. The newest addition to my collection is this ring right here. It comes with 3 different rings. They are all connected. You have a silver one, a gold one, and then a silver one again. I just love this ring so much. I think it makes your hands look so expensive. It's just like, it's so pretty the way it sparkles. I love it so much. Next thing are these pajamas. I love these pajamas so much for multiple reasons. Reason number one is that this set was $30 or $32 or something like that. So incredibly affordable. The quality is everything. So soft. This pink color, are you joking? And it's US Polo Association, which just looks kind of bougie when you're wearing it. Like you just feel like kind of rich and bougie. And then it also comes with the matching pajama pants, which are so incredibly soft. They have pockets. I just think this color is quite literally everything. And you go to bed feeling like a princess for 30 bucks. Another thing in the jewelry category, we have this Van Cleef necklace. I got this on Amazon for $15. It came with a white one and a black one. This is honestly the best looking Van Cleef that I have found on Amazon. I just think it's so pretty. It makes me feel expensive and it looks great in a necklace stack. Next, we have the hair category. First, we have this Batiste Overnight Deep Cleansing Dry Shampoo. I'll pretty much apply this at night before I go to bed. I'll wake up in the morning and it's like you washed your hair in your sleep. I get extremely oily hair. I'm talking by day 2, my hair is looking like it's day 5. It's actually really sad and tragic. So this product has been my absolute holy grail this month. If you have oily hair or you just want to wash your hair while you sleep, try this product. Next, we have a texture spray. This is the IGK Touchable Texture Spray. First of all, this smells like you are on a tropical island in Hawaii, in the Maldives. It just smells so, so good. This helps my heatless curls last all day long. Also, if I curl my hair, it helps hold the style without having to spray hairspray and have my hair be sticky and gross. This is the epitome of summer. It smells so good. Now we have a body wash that quite literally changed my life this month. All of these products have changed my life this month. Sometimes after I use my body wash and I get out of the shower, my skin feels really dry and I have to slap on lotion immediately. So I've been trying this Natrium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. So it's an oil to gel formula. It comes out as an oil and then it lathers like soap does. Really, really interesting. And when you get out of the shower, you honestly don't even have to apply lotion. Your skin feels so soft and so supple. There are times I've used this and not applied lotion after the shower, which I pretty much never do. That is how good this product is. It's also safe for sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin. It's pretty much unscented. It's very, very gentle. It's pricey, but I think it is so incredibly worth it. Also, just this bottle, beautiful packaging. Last but not least, we have a makeup product. I have used a lot of translucent powders, but I have not used this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills until this month. I did not know that my makeup could be as airbrushed as it is with this product. I will apply my blush first and then bake my face using this powder. The way it makes your blush come together, your contour, it literally looks like you face tuned your face in real life. I also appreciate how big this jar is too. You get a lot of product. It is amazing. If you are looking for a translucent powder, please get this one. They also have a few other shades. Love, love, love. Those are all the products that have changed my life this month. Please let me know if you've tried any of these products and which ones are your favorite. I'm gonna have every single product I mentioned linked down below if you guys want to check it out. I highly, highly recommend all these products and I hope you try them and love them. I will see you in my next video, and if you don't want to wait a week or 2 until I upload, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post every single day on those platforms. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.